What's up guys, Big Papa Lee's here. I just got these glasses off Temu. It's kind of like Wish.com and they don't fit my head. I've got too big of a noggin. And I just thought today, maybe I'd show you how to make some ads that weren't the Wish.com or Temu version of the good Facebook ads out there. I don't know what to compare that to. What's better than Temu? Amazon? I don't know. There's still tons of random crap on there too. But again, today, guys, I'm gonna take these glasses off because they're just, what are these glasses for ants? For children? Guys, I'm going to show you some ads that are going to change the game for your campaigns, because maybe you've been using people's templates, you've been using kind of stock imagery. I'm going to show you the ads that I've used over the years, and I'm going to give you the link to these so you can get some inspiration on how to stand out on the Facebook feed or the Google, discovery or demand gen, I should say, feed, because we all want our ads to stand out. We all want to obviously get our cost per lead down, be able to make more of a margin, and that can be a struggle when you're running ads that look like everybody else's. So I'm going to show you my best disruptive ads today. I'm going to show you how to think about creating ads that actually stop people from scrolling, actually cause people to click on your ads and want to find out more. And a lot of these ads I'm going to show you today are just weird ads. They're kind of strange, and that's why they work. So let's jump on the computer and I'll show you my best ads over the past few years that have made me the most money. Let's do it. All right, guys. So on the computer here, I've got my ads. And again, these are all ads that we created because we wanted to stand out. We just didn't want to run stock imagery or again, templates. I've seen a lot of people in the Discord and in our community using solar ads that look like all the other solar ads out there. I know a lot of you guys are in solar or life insurance. You guys are using ads that look like what's already out there, and you need to think outside the box. And some of these ads that I have here are actually examples that I've seen, and then some of them maybe they could be a little outdated. I would probably argue they aren't, though. I think all of these would work and are at least worth testing. So let's just go through these and I'll show you the thought process I had when I was making them. So you guys have seen my ugly ads before. This is one of my insurance ugly ads. This type of ad just works well because I actually don't really know why it works well, but I just remember Ryan B., who's my business partner, we're best buddies, created a business together, lead gen business, and he would always make these really great ads. Like, he's an amazing designer. He does our landing pages and our funnels. He creates ads, and we both kind of do that. And he would make these really beautiful ads, and then I would make this ugly ad because I have no idea what colors work well together. I have no design ideas at all. I'm just terrible, and my font is stupid. But this type of ad just stands out because of the contrast of everything that's going on here. Like yellow on blue, I have the flag, the Texas flag here, and these types of ads just work well. Calling out the state that the person is in, that the potential lead is in, and using ugly ads. Ugly ads work. This one, let's see if I can play this. Nice. So this is my boy Courtney here. He's done a lot of ads for us. I don't know if he's actually on Fiverr anymore, to be honest. I haven't used him in a while, and when I looked for him, he wasn't on there, but he's great. This ad's nothing too crazy. It's obviously just a UGC video, but hiring people and then getting them to film the video in a more generic scene works really well. One of the best ads he ever filmed for us has probably got 500K ad spend on it. It was actually for timeshare cancellation. He's just kind of walking around his yard. He's in his car. It's very nonchalant, and you guys have heard me talk about this with my videos that I film when I just go into my yard. Those types of ads work way better. I've hired UGC people that are filming this super professional shot on a couch, and it's just it's so staged and ridiculous looking. So Courtney crushed it. Miss that guy. Again, just generic background, really chill. This one, he's a little bit more polished. In the other ones, he's super nonchalant. So that's a tip there for kind of UGC content. This one, little testimonial image ad. So this is a 5-year-old ad. It's not the best looking thing, but getting obviously this photo is pretty stock, but it's not too bad. So you could use a less stocky photo. But I in this one just having a little testimonial. So this is for life settlement. Again, you sell your life insurance policy. So if someone sees this I have a $600,000 policy. I could sell it for 192 grand. That's a lot of money. Just a really easy display of the offer that we had going there. So you could use this for solar. You could have like, get a really non-stock looking photo of a family with like solar panels behind them and be like, you know, monthly payment $192, like electricity bill savings $197. It's like, whoa, like they're making money on it. Like get like a really generic looking family, a really, not generic, just make it like look legit. Like literally go to your, if you have some friends that aren't too good looking, go to their house and take a photo of them and then Photoshop a photo panel on or something like that. Or literally just have a photo of them with a house behind it and be like, hopefully people trust it. There's panels up there, and just be like, use a testimonial that you do have, like use a real testimonial, but just use them in the photo. Just the more generic people look, the better. And I have some examples of that coming up. Like this lady, this photo, just photos like this work so well because people are like, what am I looking at right now? Like was she stuck under this house? It looks like she's kind of like, who knows what's going on? Like photos like this just catch people's attention. Photos like this, another stock photo. Like, what's this guy doing? Is he fishing? Is he playing croquet? I don't know. This lady staring at the camera. Terrible composition. Any photographer would hate this. But these types of photos, they just work. So go on. I use Deposit Photos. If you go on there and you look up, you can kind of go down rabbit holes of like, if I find a photo like this, I look for similar photos and then I download a bunch of weird looking photos like this. If I'm going to be using image ads, especially for Google Discovery, these types of images work really well. And sometimes I'll just use someone's face like this on Google Discovery. I'll just have their face like that's the ad, and like a dude in a suit with glasses and he's looking at the camera weird. That type of stuff works well. It just catches people's attention. With an ad, we won't be able to stop scrolling and read our ad copy. And those types of ads, just that's what they do. Another one, again, not stock, not staged, just two nice ladies going for a hike somewhere. This type of stuff works. I was talking with John in the lead-based community, and he was showing me an ad like this that worked really well for him. And I've used ads like this in the past. This is in Spanish, which is funny, but Emma, check them out. Go in their ad library. So go Facebook ads library, just Google that. Go to their ad library and go Emma, and you'll find these guys. They have a ton of sticky notes. So whatever it is, if it's solar, you could write like the savings on a sticky note. You could put it on, I think the other one I have is like a note. I have it later. On like notes on your phone or whatever it might be, just write it on a piece of paper. Make it look like it's native to, like it's just a normal thing that people would see on Facebook. Oh, what's this piece of paper? Oh, okay. Like it's gonna catch their attention more than like a stock photo of a house with a solar panel on it, right? So write, yeah, like monthly payment with solar, 187, total electricity savings, along with selling power back to the grid, 237. It's like Bob and Joanne, whatever, make an extra $47 a month by going solar. Holy crap. And the rebate is this much. Like those types of ads could work well. These ads crushed it for me. This is my big breakthrough ad back in the day. Use these for Tracy as well. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but I would change Ryan B, his name in my phone, to Richard Recommends or Timeshare Tracy or whatever the brand was that we were running the ad from. And then I would get him to text me like a bunch of different text messages saying different testimonials that we had or different client testimonials. So for example, someone sold their life insurance policy for like 32 grand. They had a small life insurance policy, right? So I'd get Ryan to text me, hey, congrats, the funds from the sale of your insurance policy have been transferred to your account or whatever. It's like people are like, what am I looking at right now? I'm looking at a text message. Like they're used to seeing a text message and get a dopamine hit, so why not show them a text message on their feed? These ads crushed for so long, and I should probably try them again. And sometimes I would use like just a background that someone might have on their phone, like I love Italy or wherever this is. So I'd have, like a background like that someone might have on their phone. I'd have, our wedding photo, and plus I just made 72 grand. So again, anything that can give somebody a dopamine hit anyway, why not show them that as an ad? Like that's why people use like ads that look like tweets or ads that have little, pretend notifications on them, stuff like that. Have a phone and have like, the little icons of the apps is like, have little, bubbles on them. Do a screen record, click into your phone and click on Instagram, and maybe somehow the first ad that shows up there, you've just posted, and the ad is something like this. Like stuff like that can work so well. It's an example of a note ad. So these are getting a little bit overdone, but I think they still work. And this is just showing life insurance prices, so those can work really well. It's from Emma again. You guys have seen me talk about this ad a lot. This ad has over $1 million in spend. At Timeshare Tracy, we just wrote a brand new ebook, How to Dispute and Cancel Your Timeshare in 13 Steps. This is going to show you how to cancel a timeshare without paying lawyer fees, without paying a cancellation firm. It's going to show you how to do it yourself. There's 36 pages of information here for timeshare owners. So if you're tired of paying timeshare fees like I was, then you're going to want to read this. Click the link below and get your copy today. Look at that hair. Wow. The young buck there. So this is comboing two things. Obviously, again, my yard video skills, and then also leveraging an ebook. So a lot of people think with an ebook, you just have to run an ebook and then get people to give their email to get the ebook. But what we did is we sent people this ebook, and the landing page said, get our ebook so you can learn how to get it yourself. And you're also going to agree to be called by us so we can review this ebook with you. We want to review this strategy with you. Like Timeshare Tracy is an advocacy group. We help people get out of their timeshares. And basically would have a Timeshare Tracy partner call them. So we said, like, our partner's going to call you. And then we would walk them through that ebook and get them to realize, like, hey, this is actually like tons of work. I probably can't do this. I need to pay you guys. So it's crushed. They still run it to this day at Timeshare Tracy. Another ad like this, again, photo, Marjorie here and her daughter, or she's going to grad, and that would maybe be someone's background. Timeshare cancellation. Oh, you just saved 72 grand because you don't have that stupid timeshare. And then getting family members to wear shirts is my mother-in-law just wearing a shirt. I couldn't find, this is a stupid ad, Black Friday, ignore that. It's a dumb ad. But just having photos of them wearing shirts. So I got a bunch of Timeshare Tracy shirts. I got my family and my wife to wear them. And just, again, they look like real people. It's a real photo wearing like a Timeshare Tracy shirt. It makes it look legit. Yeah, if you want your brand to look legit, go on Vistaprint, get a shirt and a hat and friggin' mug, get some like stuff that can make your brand look legit. Because people are like, oh, it's printed on a shirt. It's a legit brand, right? More than just like you running ads from your one Facebook page and people have never heard of it. Once you kind of show it out in the real world, people are going to recognize that brand more. And all of these offers are encompassed by us having a brand that people start to trust, or they see a brand that's disarming. You guys, I've showed you guys Timeshare Tracy, I've showed you Insurance Ian. These are disarming brands. They're not corporate brands where people look at them and are like, just, I can't think of a corporate brand name right now, but like, again, if Chevy goes and says Chevy is the best, you're like, okay, yeah, we know Chevy, we know you think you're the best. But when Timeshare Tracy says, partner A is the best, we actually recommended them, we vetted them, here's their testimonials. There's a trust that is built there. So anyways, guys, these are my ads. I'll post these in the description of the video. Guys, our free course is officially out now. So it's going to actually be hosted on School. We're trying School out for the hosting of these free videos. So go get the How to Build a Lead Gen Business free course. It's finally here. Click below to access that now. You can join the School and get access to everything there. And School is also going to be for people who want to take things and another step further. Again, this is a free community, but we'll be on there answering questions and kind of having things a little bit more topic based than the Discord is right now. So we just want to host the course on there regardless, because it's a great, easy way to host things. Anyways, join that. It's free, and we'll see you there. Thanks, guys. Bye.